Welcome to Zimbabwe. Welcome to Wedza district, a part of Mashonaland East. This is rural Wedza. I grew up here. I grew up all my life here on this village, and I used to look at that mountain every morning. I wake up, and it's exciting just to see it now again. And yeah, that big mountain. I used to watch it every morning. I wake up, and these some trees you see here, we planted them when we were young, and they're still there. You can see, and our heart is still surviving. It's holding. It's there, so you can see the architectural design. Yeah, and I grew up here, so you can. Some things have changed a little bit of time. They all now got lights, floodlights. When I grew up, because solar. When I grew up, we did not have all these lights. Now they got lights outside. We never had lights when we grew up here, and we used to herd cattle. We used to herd goats, and by this time we'd have gone out with the cows into the forest to herd them, and then we come late at night, and no shoes, nothing. But it was the resilience and the dreams that came from here that are important today, because all the dreams that we have now today, they all started from here, and we thank God for passing us through this place. So surviving in this village was like an extreme sport. So it was all about survival and nothing else. But it's very important that it shapes the future, and it does help. It impacts on how you are in the community when you grow up, and it's some things are designed that way, and they do work in that same way. Although it was a very difficult time, and we remember that time very well. My mother used to live here. Sometimes she would live on her own here, or on her own, and it was always struggles and struggles. Oh no, finding something to eat. But now we have solutions that are better for ourselves. Now I now have shoes. I now have I'm able to do what I want, and we thank God that we go through a process in life, and that process shapes the future. And we're here in rural Wedza. We are back to our roots, and we are thriving, and we want to forge ahead. We want to shape how the world would operate. From where we struggled, we want to direct the shape in the direction where the world is heading to, and we will do it from here. My name is Taku, by the way. Thank you for listening to my rural content. I'm here in Wedza district, part of Mashonaland East, Zimbabwe. Thank you for listening.